Hi, hello, welcome back. We are here in the place of Gujus, Gujarat, the place of Dwarkadish, Shri Krish. So, we are heading to Nageshwar. ಏನಾತ ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಜಿರಳಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಏನಾತ ಹಾಕ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕ ಜಿರಳಿ ಸಾಯಿಸಿದೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಹಾಕ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನೋ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನಾಗೇಶ್ವರ್ ಬಟ್ anyways we are here so thought of going to Nageshwar as well and from there we are going to Somnath Jyotirling. We just stood by this hotel Jai Dwarkadish to eat some papad. We are in this Jyotirling and look at the garbage. These people, they just come over here, throw shits. This woman just threw all these things in front of me. And if we say something, woman empowerment comes to play and things go wrong. So in my memory, when I came last time, there was nothing like this. We just went inside and we came out. This is they have improved it, which is a good thing, but this is too much of rush. So this was not like this 7 years down the road. This is a fast moving queue. So the time is 8:26. Let's see how many hours it will take us to finish this one. It exactly took 32 minutes for us to come from there till here in the temple with the darshan. So this is the inside the mandir. When we came last time, it was not this busy. So from outside, it may look like it will take hours of queue for the darshan, but it is not actually what it looks like. It only took 32 minutes for us to come inside, have darshan and come outside. You don't have to pay anyone here. Just come in the line. It will not take more than half an hour unless there is some puja or something. According to Shiv Purana, it is said that this Shivling was actually built by Vishwakarma himself. This temple has withstood attacks from Ghazni and other Mughal rulers. The Murti, this is 82 feet tall Shiva Murti, which was recently built. The way Shiva came to this place was to save his devotee who was poisoned by a demon, and after that Shiva stayed here as a Jyotirling and is being prayed by everyone. It is said that if you sit there and do meditation for 5 minutes, you can lose all the anger and other physical and mental health problems from this place, which I actually did. So I'm done with 6 Jyotirlingas: Bhima Shankar, Trimbakeshwar, Krishneshwar, Ujjain Mahakal, Omkareshwar and Nageshwar. The next one is Somnath, and after 1 week going to Kashi. In my opinion, if I look at all this place, I have been to 6, including this is the 6th Jyotirlinga. They have improved every Jyotirlinga with a corridor. I think improving this as a corridor will also help the tourism to increase, because there's nothing to buy, eat and drink over here. I mean, there are small shops, but not like Ujjain or not like Trimbakeshwar stuff. So it is better if they improve it. It will be good. A very nice sunset from Dwarka. Om Namah Shivaya. So this is Somnath. No mobile phones are allowed inside, so I couldn't take any videos. There are 3 levels of security. Make sure you do not take your phone. Otherwise, even if you go inside with the phone by some hook or crook, you will be sent back. So make sure you do not take your phone inside. So this is the 7th Jyotirling in my 2024 trip to Jyotirling with no photos, but which is a very good thing. We had very good darshan also. There is no proof or there is no history where or since how many years the Somnath has been. According to Skanda Puran and according to Shiva Puran and the mentions of Mahabharata and Ramayana, Somnath has been here since eternal time, but no one knows how many years old it is. Even the temple remains were only found back in 1012 CE when Muhammad Ghazni attacked Somnath and he captured everything. And he destroyed the temple, he took all the loot, he did everything. Temple which you see behind me was recently built in 1951. After the independence, the Somnath Trust, they revived the temple. It is always believed that Somnath is the first of the 12 Jyotirlingas in India. So we left room around 6 o'clock. We had a very good darshan. Make sure you come early in the morning around 7 o'clock. So at 7 there's gonna be a puja and there's gonna be a aarti. So you can attend that aarti and it will be you will feel some eternal energy passing through you. The gate opens at 6 o'clock. Make sure you do not take your bag, you do not take your phones, you don't take anything. Keep everything in the car or you can still keep it in the counter. But you can come out and get some pictures. But this is it. This is the end for my Somnath journey and this is the end of my 7 Jyotirlingas. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಲಿಂಗ ಟ್ರಿಪ್?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮಜಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ರಿ? ಹಾಂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Come over here, don't come inside this gate because even if you come here you have to walk all the way to that entrance. So make sure you just park your car over there. So it is pretty easy to walk in. Look at this people, they are throwing shit here. Uncle, आप उधर डस्टबिन है ना, उधर भी थ्रो कर सकते हो ना? आप उधर डस्टबिन है ना, उधर भी थ्रो कर सकते हो ना? अरे अंकल ये वो गड्ढा के लिए रखा है ना अंकल?
नहीं वो गड्ढा के लिए नहीं रखा है, ऐसे ही रखा था.
अरे वही आप नहीं मेंटेन करोगे तो कौन मेंटेन करेगा अंकल? नहीं उधर इतना रखा है, लोग इतना है.
आपने तो गाड़ी ठोका ना तो
अरे मैं ठोका ठीक है, बट वो तो गिरा हुआ था ना. आप ऐसे थ्रो किया तो अरे अंकल आप लोग ही बताते हो बाद में कि गवर्नमेंट कुछ नहीं कर रहे. आप ऐसे थ्रो करके और स्वच्छ भारत करके वो लोग कर रहे हैं, आप लोग कुछ. अरे सॉरी नहीं, फेंको ना उधर. तुम जैसे लोग ऐसे थ्रो करके जाते हो तो क्या फायदा क्या है? आप ही बता दो ना. नहीं आप ही बता दो ना. अरे मैं क्यों लूँ? मैं
आपको नहीं बोल रहा ना.
नहीं आप थोड़ा तो स्वच्छता मेंटेन करना है ना. And auntie is throwing it now. And that concludes our trip with 4,204.9 kilometers. We are done with our Jyotirling trip. The next one is Kashi Vishwanath, which I'll do it next week on the flight.
Thank you.